Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this endless scroll effect on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to add in a keyframe in the beginning and then at the end. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So in the beginning, you're going to place the image to the very right, and then at the end, you're going to place it at the very left, like that. Okay. Once you're done, you're just going to copy and paste it however many times you want. I'm just gonna do it like 5 times. Then I'm just going to replace them by dragging it on top and then replace clip. And I'm just going to do that for all of it just to make it easier. Okay. Then I'm just going to place it like kind of like on top, and like I'm going to kind of arrange the timing of like when it shows up. Okay, that shows up a little bit too soon. Just try adjusting it like piece by piece. It's a bit tricky to do, not gonna lie, but you're just going to do that to all of your clips until you have no clips left. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.